We've got an area cleaned off of just pure lamproite, and it's kind of hard to break, but he's working on it with the backhoe. We figured up 560 cubic feet of material in that area that he's on right there, that he's exposed the overburden and cleaned it off, and that's just a pure chunk of lamproite. He's going to try to break it up and put it down here in this pit, because he can come in up this ramp and scoop it up. So he's got it all mucked out and cleaned out, and we'll just have pure lamproite in there. It breaks off, you know, fairly hard, but he's working on it. Today's Friday, September 4th, 2020. Yeah, there's some good pieces of lamproite ore. He thought if it didn't break off this way where he could push it in, he would have to drive around and use the back end of the backhoe and pull it down into the hole. But you need to break it up, so giving it a try. It's just too hard. He's shaking his head, so probably gonna have to come around here and try it a different way. He was able to move the clay on top of it fairly easy, but this lamproite is a lot harder. He's got a chunk there coming off. I was not able to dig it with a shovel. I couldn't jab it with a rock bar. The only way I could get it to break up before is with an antique plow pulled by my truck. But we decided to bring in a four-wheel drive backhoe and work on it. But it's pretty hard material. You may have to turn around and dig it with the stinger, the hoe on the back end of the backhoe. Hear how hard it is, and that blade's having a rough time going across it. We thought this end might flake off, but it's not breaking real easy. It's worth a try. It's just shaving it off. It's not busting big chunks.